Louise here from Lucky Night Studio. In this video, I take you through sorting out the layout on the About page to make it fit for mobile. This includes a trick that I use on Squarespace sites when using the background image sections to make sure your content is still visible. I also take you through populating the services page and using CSS to generate content as well. So I'll take you through that. I do have a blog post as well that will have all the code in case you need it. Enjoy! Right, so back at it. What I'm going to try and do in this session is I'm going to make this mobile friendly on this About page. Because as you can see, this is not ideal. Yeah, let's load up this site as well so I can see what it kind of should look like. Right, let's see about maybe making this. Oh no, how did I do it on this one? I probably see my screen. Shrink it down, you'll be able to see what it does. Ah, I made it into a coloured block so that it doesn't have that issue. Okay, I cannot do that with this. Well, I could add some custom CSS, but I'd rather not. Also, that's shrunk it a bit, wasn't it, doesn't it? No. Okay. What we'll do actually, let's see if I can get a block that will be the same colour as the background that maybe I can kind of hide in there. Custom, is there a colour picker? There is not. I can get a colour picker though. You just put any colour, then I can click this, and here's a little colour picker. Ooh. Why is it not grabbing the correct? How odd. Maybe because of all this? Okay, try again. Okay, well, got that one at least. Right. Close that up. Make this the custom colour. There we go. We're getting there. Okay, so, and we want to put this behind everything. Huh. Not sure where these have gone. Was it white? No, it was weird that that didn't show. Okay, well, anyway. So now, when I go to mobile, okay, what we want to do is we're going to make sure, oh, hold on. I need to remove the fill screen again. My favorite. Right, so all of this, drag it down. Yeah. Drag it down, centered. Okay, I like it. And then on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it be this full size and make sure that it's behind everything. Actually, I don't need it to be all the way down here, do I? Yeah. Bit of a shame we lose that image, but you know, it's one of those things on mobile, you got to kind of pick your battles. Does that look a bit too busy? Let's shrink those down a bit. Yeah, I don't want the hearts on the overlapping and that one. Oh, oh, drag this all the way up. Oh, I almost missed this button. Let's make sure that that is the right size. Okay, doke. Oh no, not quite sure what I clicked there, but let's sort that out. Right. So this is kind of giving us this, again, overlappy look. We want this to be smaller. What was it like on this one? Oh, okay, the banner with the text. Right, let's try and give it a similar-ish look, at least, with this. I like how it's stacked this, I just... Go! This is doing the block thing with the green. So I want this to go behind. Full width, there we go. And then, there we go. Actually, I'm going to shrink that down a bit as well. Oh! Quite sure I did that. Oh, it's because of this. There we go. What is it saying is blocking me? Oh, well. How does that look? I quite like that. Do you think I need more of a white space there, actually? Yeah, let's drag oof, this block. Oh, no. Okay, let's unclick all these. So I'm going to select them individually. I do want a few of those dots, but I kind of like this to be a bit more space. Okay, how are we looking? Yeah. Also, I need to make sure that these are in order. So we've got computer, working means, people I've worked with one-to-one, you are qualified, my clients, pro copy, I love learning, I'm a pro copy, okay, it almost had it right. Learning and taking pride, Oh, what did that do? Was that? That's ruined all the spacing for some reason. Oh well. I just want to make sure that these are right underneath it. Oh, I don't want it overlapping. Oh, that's the issue with this grid column. Oh, I think that's overlapping. Yeah, I don't want that to happen because it could cause issues. Okay. Bit of spacing. What was this? This is, right, another kind of blocky. Let's move that down a bit. Larger. Okay. Will I make this full width? Yes. That'll improve the look of it. Yeah, I think that looks quite good. Should I make this off-centered? Yeah. And then, where was that? Oh, this is the quote. Oh, this has become quite small. Right, let's move this up a bit. I don't want it to be overlapping. Okay, I mean... No, I do want it there. I do want it. So, I think it just needs to be bold, actually. Help see it a bit more. Yeah, I know that will make it bolder on mobile as well. Yeah, I think that's okay. I think we're gonna have to live with that. Oh, and then we've got our... These should all be still set from last time, which it is. Lovely. Oh, did that mobile in under 10 minutes as well. Lovely. Right, so next we need to do another page, which is services. So these are services, and they also have these kind of click down rows, which are very easy to do on Squarespace. We can just add some code blocks. So it's lots of... So this happy client, we've got that already. Do we have this already? I feel like maybe not. Yeah, these ones are an accordion, and we're going to style them up. Again, probably in CSS. And we've got this one. Have we got this one saved already? Right, let's just make a new page. What is it? Page called? Services. Is that what it's called up there? Yeah. Read it, and then I didn't actually use it. Okay, services. Right, so we've got a background image. I'm going to use the background image that we kind of used last time with the indent. So let's, yeah, so I don't have that saved. A few of them saved that I need, but that's fine. We can save them afterwards. Edit section, background, add an image. And it's the laptop one. Services banner. Oh, it's doing it. Inset. Yeah, and we don't want any overlay because it's probably already done. Okay. Is it inset? Yeah, it's inset. Let's add a block, which is, we just need text. And a button. Oh, yep, that's fine. And then it is get in touch. And it also needs to be left aligned with the text. The white, not italic. Was it bold? Yes. And a little bit less space between them. Yeah. Cool. Nice and easy. Add another blank section because we've got these 3 circles. Oh, and they have a bit of an animation on them as well. I could do it in CSS. There might be a way to do it in Squarespace actually, I'm not sure, but actually no, there's not something in Squarespace that you can do something on hover, is there? So let's we've got move down, which might work in Squarespace with CSS. If not, we can actually just do a scale, like a slight zoom in. We just want that. It helps the user when things move, when you hover over them, it helps the user know that it's like clickable or interactable. It's giving, I think they call it like a microtransactions, like micro animations, to let them know that there's something that you can do. Just gives you a little hint. And it's also fun to do. Right, so let's get an image. What is the image? So it's a laptop again. Yeah, services 1, services 2, services 3. Okay. That's how they look. Right, let's get them in. Let's do the design, shape. Okay. Stretch? Oh, don't stretch. Overlay. And the colour on this overlay is pink. Oh. There's text over it as well. Oh. Tell you what, let's... Oh, not that. Oh. Maybe we won't have it as size. Why won't you let me oh, remove. I can't get it now to be centered. Yes, I can. I do want it heading to. I just kind of want it bigger. I might have to do that in code. Also, is that? Feels like it's not centered. Check the line. As in, like, not horizontally centered. Oh, but then if I move it down another one, maybe I make the circle smaller. That up. That looks a bit better at least. Maybe I need to make this darker. Yeah, that looks a bit better. A bit easier to see. Still doesn't look centered, does it? Oh. I'll tell you what, let's... Right, so let's take away this anyway, because it's a lot of padding. Let's take away that. Okay. Because now I might be able to grab both of these. Nope. Oh. No, I don't like it. Okay, I like that one. That's better. Hold on. Copy, paste, paste. They've got, oh, hang on, that's got a bit more space between it, hasn't it? That's got two, oh, that's only got one space between it. There we go, so space, one gap, space, one gap, okay. Right, and what are the other ones? Emails. White, bold, center. Why aren't you bold? Why is this paragraph 2? That's why. And this is additional writing services. Oh. No, I don't want you to grow. Oh, you did it as well, I've just seen. I might have to... Oh. These need to be bigger, don't they? Yeah. Oh, I haven't got the sizing right at all, have I? Oh, it's not the way to do it. Just think it's gonna look good because they're gonna be all different sizes and that'll annoy me. But this is also not in line. Yes, it is. There we go. Okay. Also, it all looks a bit off-centered again still. Let's move all this. There we go. Okay. There we go. That's looking better. Right. So this is. We need to change these images and the colors. Replace, oh, not select one, replace, upload, and set this as 2. And then it's kind of like the orange color, I guess. Oh, but we'll need to add links here as well. Design, overlay, yeah. Darker this one. I think maybe that should be. This looks like it's too dark. Is that now too obvious? I don't know. It should be darker though. Let's replace, upload, services 3. And the overlay is green, yeah. There we go, that's looking better. Okay, there's also some sort of swishy, that could be an image, probably is an image. It is, and is this an image? Both images, okie doke. Oh, I have to, hold on, oh no! Just as I get everything kind of how I want. So I'm just going to delete that for now. I need to move this down so I can put an image above it. There we go. We're getting there. So it's there, and then this is the... I feel like I've already got this one. The kind of swirl, yeah. How's that looking? Is that too big? Yes. But that is looking good. Have it, yeah. And then we've got another image. Kind of like those three. I think I've also got this one as well. Oh, I've got the 3 lines but in a different colour. Okay. There we go, orange lines. How's that looking? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, and then we've got a yellow banner with case studies on it, with this behind it. Oh yeah, I need to add that kind of box, don't I, with CSS? I forgot about that. Yeah. Forgot that I needed to do that. So there's one on the home page, isn't there? Let me go back. I haven't done that. Yeah. Because it looks a bit flat otherwise. Let me just have a look how it looks on the home page. Yeah. See if I can just do this. So let's grab the CSS for this. Oh, move my little face out of the way. Website, and then we've got website tools and then custom CSS. So we've already got a fair bit here. That's the blinking. Box. Box. Naming's always hard. Box. Border. Not very good at naming, it seems. And I think it's going to be this. Actually, it might be this. Let's grab this. Background. Red. I just want to see what it is actually selecting. Okay, it might be because it's behind that block. Let's please go away. Let's actually have a look what we've got. Okay, so it is grabbing that, lovely. And then it's grabbing all the content. So we probably want that, and then we want this. Okay, but that, I know that's what I want. Because if I do this, what we're going to do is position relative, and I'm actually going to create content in the DOM. Well, this is not in the I'm sorry, I'm getting technical. I'm going to create in CSS like an extra shape, but it'll only be in CSS. It's not actually in the web page itself, it's just styling things. So content, oh, that's position relative, and then let's do it before. So before that element is there, we're going to add some content, which is just going to be empty It's going to be position absolute. So that's why I put the element itself as position relative, because otherwise this position absolute will be absolute for the whole page, and we want it to be absolute relative to its parent, which is this. I know. It does get used. Top, left, and we want it to be width. We'll adjust the position in a minute. Width 100%, height 100%, and then background. Let's just do red for now. It helps me kind of see. There you go. Can you see? I've created a box that's. It looks a bit ridiculous, obviously. It's 100%, 100% width, 100% height, so it's the exact same size. I mean, technically, actually, I'm only showing the bottom bit, so it doesn't need it. Actually, yes, it does, because it'd be hard to do it otherwise. But yeah, and then we're going to do Z index 2, because this should be before it. If I do Z index 1, -1 even. Oh, before, maybe I went after. No, okay. We're gonna have to try and do this so that it positions itself behind it in a minute, but that's okay. But before that, I'm gonna make it 20 pixels. Probably 20 pixels here as well. Oh no! Oh, okay, that could be a bit of an issue. Z index 99. I need it to go in front of this. Okay, let's. Right. What have I grabbed? Shape, isn't it? The block. I need the shape. So that's the actual content itself. Oh, that's why. Maybe I need it. Maybe I should have done it. Maybe I should not have done it on the shape itself, but I could have done it on the block, because it's actually because of like the children. Let's see how that works. Please let me. Okay, it's not letting me backspace for some reason. I need to type anything. Okay. I'm guessing it must have frozen. Let's save and then give it a little refresh. It's just the fun of working with a Squarespace server. Yeah, it's struggling to load stuff. Not sure why. Okay, a couple of refreshes and we are here. Although that's. I feel like that's wrong. Yeah. Why is that not the right colour? Okay. Oh, because there's an error. Where? Oh, it did take some of what I was trying to type then. That's bizarre, isn't it? Let's have this as the after. It's still saying there's issues. Oh, that's why. It's at some point I must have deleted that. Okay, and now you can see that's the right colour. Oh goodness, there we go. Can you see? I don't know if I didn't explain it very well, but I was selecting. So this, if I show you using the Chrome extension that kind of lets you select the ID. This is the section ID, and inside the section, if I show you, if we actually look in the, this is called the DOM, the document object model. This is the section itself, so this is the block that they often have, and then I was grabbing this shape block and then trying to add it underneath. The issue of that is in that sometimes the Z index is relative to the parent. In this case, this one. So if I wanted things to be overlapping, as in overlapping the next section, I needed to be a higher Z index, which I couldn't change unless I did it this way. If it doesn't make sense, I can do like another video maybe that goes through some basics of CSS if that's what people are interested in, but you're probably not. Also, yeah, it's a little bit over there. So what I'm also going to do is in this, I'm going to do padding 20 pixels so that the box itself comes in a bit. That was not what I wanted at all. Ah, that's why, because... Okay, so let's... That's the thing, I need to do... you can calculate... Yeah, because I want to bring... So that has come in correctly as I wanted with the padding. So what I'm saying is that section have padding, so that shape goes in. But then I need to recalculate it because this shape... Or... A few ways that I could do this. Yeah, no, I still want to keep it on the section and not the shape. What you can do is you can say calc 100% and then minus, and then you can say, so it'll be 40 pixels. However, I think I've had this before, because what this should be is 100% and then minus 40 pixels correctly, but Squarespace doesn't like the calc. So I'm just going to have a little Google, like all good developers do. It's looking like a spell. So Squarespace CSS, not using calc. As you can see, I've already searched this before. I've just forgotten what the outcome is. You have to put it into a... Yeah, there we go. I want it like that. Good old Google. Okay, so we want 100%, and then we want minus 40. Okay, so it obviously needs to be... Why is that? Because there's 20 padding. Oh yeah, I want it to overlap, don't I? So I actually want 20, because I want it to be 20 out there. Perfect. And we're going to do exactly the same for the height. Oh yeah, I have to do 40 here. I'm going to redo this again now, actually. I can do maths. Okay, there we go. We're looking a lot better, so that's kind of got this 20. Also, let's just grab this colour, because believe it or not, that red was not correct. Oh, let's... Oh, actually, I did it with the box shadow, which... Did I do it with the box shadow? I did do it with the box shadow. All of that, and I could have done it with a box shadow. Let's see... Okay, I can always undo. And then... what is it? Shape? Yeah, so... Squarespace shape. Ah, okay, that's why it won't work, because of the Z index, as you can see, because the section below it is going to be higher. Okay, but what I could do is I could have it that way, and then I can't change the Z index of that, but I can change the Z index of this one. So it's overlapping. Z index 99. There we go. So I did all that extra content, blah blah blah, but I could have just done a box shadow. But oh well, at least I got to show it, I guess. Do you think it's too... Oh, that's the other issue, is that it's too... Is it too wide? Yeah, okay. I might still need to do some bits, actually. With this one, I'm going to say, padding 20 pixels. And actually, do you know what? I just want it on padding X. Oh, what am I saying? Padding, so it's X and then it's Y, so it's the horizontal, and then we want none on the, nope, wrong way around. We want none vertical and then just on the horizontal, there we go. Just so we're not adding extra spacing that we don't need. Okay, that was far longer than that needed to be. Right, but what I wanted to do is... Oh, this is the same section. Hold on. So this section here, I want to save it, because this is very similar to what I think I need on the next section. Let me have a look. That was what we were meant to be doing. This, oh, it's not that similar actually. Well, maybe. So let's just go to services and then edit. Oh, I don't want to do that. I want to add a section. Oh, don't do that. It's trying to add a section. I want to add a section. Oh, I have got it as just that. Oh, it hasn't got the styling because of that. That's fine. That is fine. I can just copy. My goodness, add section. Let's just add a blank section. So we've got the 3 dots. Yeah, do you know what? I'm just gonna, while I remember, because that's the issue, it's my memory, and that's always the issue. I'm going to copy this, and what we're gonna do is say, oh, you want exactly the same, so you can just put it into comma. I know, puppy. I've got my dog here who's telling me that it's dinner time. The dogs. Okay, awesome. So there we go. That's the right colour, isn't it? Yeah. Lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go because I have a little puppy here who's telling me it is dinner time. So we will carry on next time. So thanks for watching. In the next video, we finish off populating the services page, and we also style up with custom CSS the Squarespace accordion. So it kind of alternates in color, and we also style up the icon as well and make it a bit wider. So see you next time.